Bags checked. Nothing left behind. Our family is ready to go.
We are walking off the plane. Goodbye, airplane. Thank you.
Stay close. Oh, the terminal is very busy.
This airport is huge. It is like a shopping mall.
Mom, there are people from everywhere in the world here.
Follow the passport control sign. Walk together. No running.
Oh, my legs feel tired. Is the hotel far from here?
First we collect our bags, then a taxi, then rest. I promise.
Dad, I found the baggage claim sign. It is this way. Follow me.
Good eyes, Tommy. Lead the way. We will follow you. Watch for our bag. Dark blue, yellow ribbon on the handle. Find it.
There, blue bag, yellow ribbon. I found it. I found it first.
Again? She beats me again. Sophie, you have super eyes.
Outside at last. Now we find our taxi into the city.
It is so bright and warm out here.
Which taxi do you want to take, Dad? Dad, I can see taxis over there. Should we just jump in one?
No, Tommy. We booked our taxi already, Ted, using this app on my phone.
You booked it already on your phone? How does that work?
I opened the app, typed our location, and a driver accepted. Very simple.
There is a tiny car on the screen. Is that really our taxi moving?
Yes, that little car shows exactly where our driver is right now.
It is moving closer. The little car is coming to find us.
Children, stay close to me while Dad handles the taxi. Do not wander.
Hello? Yes, we are here. We will walk to lane 4 now.
I am staying close, Mom. But this place is so interesting to watch.
Was that the driver? Where do we go? Which lane are we looking for?
Lane 4, I can see the sign. I will lead the way. Follow me.
Mom, how did the driver know which airport to come to?
The app sends the driver all the information automatically. Very clever technology.
Garcia family, I am your driver.
Welcome.
Welcome. I have been expecting you.
Yes, we are the Garcia family. Thank you for coming so quickly.
This is our taxi? It is so clean and big. There is so much space inside. I can put my own bag in. I am strong enough. Almost nearly there.
Let me help you with the heavy one. Teamwork is always faster. Thank you, Mr. Garcia. Much appreciated.
Do you need help, Tommy? It is okay to ask for help sometimes.
I did not need help. See? Done. I told you I was strong enough.
Both of you, very good. Galley aside, please. Seatbelts on straight away.
There's a little screen inside, and it smells very clean in here.
Seatbelt done. Dad, there is a screen in the taxi. Can I use it?
Ask the driver politely, Tommy. Always ask before touching things.
Excuse me, sir. Please may I use the screen? I will be very careful.
Of course, young man. Very good manners. Please enjoy it.
Close your eyes if you are tired, Sophie. We will wake you at the hotel. Okay, Mama. Thank you for booking the taxi on the phone.
1 app. 4 seats. No queue. Technology makes travel so much easier.
Look at this city. There are shops and people everywhere. It is so alive.
Mom, I feel a little sleepy now. The seat is very comfortable.
Best if you need to, my love. I am right here beside you.
Traffic is building ahead. Rush hour has started, Mr. Garcia.
I see it. Let me check the map. How long does this road usually take?
Honestly, maybe 30 extra minutes. This is normal for this road at 5 o'clock.
30 minutes? But I want to reach the hotel now. This is so slow.
Tommy. Id cities always have traffic. Patience is part of traveling.
Look at the map, Tommy. Red means heavy traffic. This is completely normal.
Why is some of the map red and some of it green? What does green mean?
Green means traffic is moving freely. Red means slow or stopped. Orange is in between.
Look! That bus is covered in paintings. It is like a moving art gallery.
She is right. And look, there is a man selling fruit on the pavement.
And look at those flower stalls. Traffic gives us time to see everything.
I can see a food cart. And children playing. And a lady in orange.
Sophie, let us play a spotting game. First person to find a red motorcycle wins.
Yes, a game. I accept. And I will find it before you do, Tommy.
I like this game. I see 3 red motorcycles from here already.
I see one. Red motorcycle, 11 o'clock position.
I saw it first. That point is mine.
This is a great idea. While we wait, tell me, what do you want to see first in this city?
The museum and the tall tower and street food. I really want to try local street food.
I want to see a park and flowers. And I want to find one very special souvenir.
For street food, I know the best lane in the old market. Very local. Very delicious.
The best lane? Can we go there tomorrow? Please, please, please.
I think that is a yes from my son. We would love the recommendation. Thank you. Ha! I will write it down for you when we arrive.
Mom, why do so many people drive cars if it makes traffic like this?
That is a brilliant question, Sophie. Everyone thinks their own journey is the most important.
That is why cities build metros and buses. So not everyone has to drive. Dad told me.
You see, we are stuck in traffic race, but we are learning, laughing, and together. That is enough.